Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our very nice Ford Fiesta ST-3 with a Mountune kit, and it also has a Maxton design body kit on it, which is very nice indeed. As you know, these are very good quality. Old Maxton design, Mountune there, very tasteful indeed. It's a very nice car, this. It's a Mountune diffuser. I have to be quick because it's raining. The rear PDC parking sensors. There's the boot. It's in very nice condition. There's your twin exhausts. This is car has Bang & Olufsen. There you go. All the specification of the car, Recaro seats, is on the advert as always, including the full service history, so please do take your time to read that. Read the specification of the vehicle. But it's a lovely car overall. This one also has the door edge protectors. We do offer finance. We take part exchanges if you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks as always.